Hey everybody, what is going on? MP here, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to change the windshield wiper motor bracket and 2008 through 2012 Chevy Malibu. Now it doesn't matter what model it is, as long as it's a Chevy Malibu, they're literally the same thing. So the issue with our car is the wipers just don't work. So as you can see, there is just no response from the windshield wipers, and this is a problem that's been going on with this car for a little bit. So we are going to finally get into it and change it. So the tools you'll need for this job is a 15mm socket, 10mm socket, and a flathead or a fork tool. To start with, you go to the wipers and squeeze off the top caps, put them somewhere safe, like so. And then you want to go ahead and take your 15 and take this off. There you go. And then repeat for that side. Okay, then what you want to do to take this off, flip this up like so, and shake it. Then repeat again for this side. There we go. Okay, so make sure you put your bolts in a safe place. I'm going to put mine on top of the car. And then I'm also going to turn off the car and pop the hood. And again, these are the tools you'll need. Okay, so what you want to do, go ahead, open the hood, and then come over to this side. Now okay, so usually there's going to be a tab here and a tab here. You got to take off with your screwdriver. They're gone on both sides, but basically this is usually a pull up and this is a pull off. So since that's already pretty much done for us, you want to go ahead and remove this part like so, and then that gives us access to the motor. So we got a bolt here, and a bolt right there, and they are 10 mils. So what you want to do is just grab your 10 and screw them off. Okay, once you got that, please excuse the truck. Make sure you put your screws where they're safe, and then you're going to want to go ahead and this is just literally a pull out like that, and go ahead and pull her out. And that looks like our corporate right there is supposed to be, this piece is supposed to be connected right there. So out with the old and in with the new. Now I got this at a local pick apart for 25 bucks. Very simple to get out. Yeah. So I'm going to want to put it in like so. Good. Hold on, Alright, once you got it in place, just start by connecting your plug like so. There you go. Now usually plugs click, but these ones don't, so you don't have to listen for a click or anything. Then you're going to want to just put your screws in and put it back together. Okay, once you have it tight, just go ahead and put this back together. Guess I need two hands for this. Alright, so once you get this back in place, you put your tabs back in, which for some reason this car doesn't have any. I believe that the owner did work to it previous, so we're just gonna, yeah. So lower the hood, and then we're gonna get back to this. So your screws are over there. Grab these. And then this one, the one with the longer is always the left side. The one with the shorter is always the right side. So put it back in, shake it, and you push down on it so it's nice and good. Okay, like that. There we go. And then you do the same for the other side. And once you're done with that, you got both of them in, go ahead and put your screws on, or nuts. I'm just going to hand tighten them for now, and then grab your 15 and tighten it up. And you just want to make sure they're hand tight. And then, like so, put your cap on. Put your cap on the other one, like so. And then let's go in the car and try it. Okay, so as I said, this car, whenever you started her up and tried to use the wipers, only the squirters worked and the wipers did not. So, turn on the car here. There we go. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Alright guys, so that is how to change wiper motors in a Chevy Malibu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did hit that subscribe button for more, and that like button. And I will see you guys in my next video.